Let's make some potato and chicken cutlets or aloo or chicken ke kebab. You can make them and freeze them for up to a month for Ramadan as well. Potatoes, mash them. Boiled chicken, green onion, coriander, peppers and carrot. Chaat masala, paprika, coriander powder, garlic powder, red chilli flakes, salt, cumin powder. Mix everything. Make kebabs. Kebabs are ready. This mixture gave me 18 kebabs. 1 egg. If you don't want to use egg, you can use cornflour slurry. So this is for those who don't have air fryer. You can just simply shallow fry them in a pan with some oil. Or air fry them. So I'm just gonna make two to show you that you can actually air fry these.